Hi everyone, this is Tammy at Snowstorm Crafts, and today I wanted to bring you guys along with me. I'm right in the middle of it. I got a calendar, and it's just an old calendar, and I wanted to show you guys how to take the shine out of, see how like it's all shiny here, and it's not there. So I wanted to show you guys just one way to take the shine out of the calendar and what you can use the calendar for. So please, if you could, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and you guys can see my next video when I post it. Like, comment, and share, and let's grow together. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys what it is I got this mixture. So it's like a magical little mixture. So what it is, and I got it written down here, my other little journal here. So it is a pretty much like a gesso mix that just makes everything matte. And it doesn't do, it's not like the white gesso where it gets it white, but this is like a homemade that you probably have just hanging around your house. Is a half a cup of glue, and it's just the Elmer's, sorry, I'll bump you guys. It's just the Elmer's glue, or just PVA glue or school glue or any kind of just white glue like this. So inexpensive. So you got this, and it is a half a cup of this, of the glue. And the next ingredient is a quarter cup of baby powder. And this one does not have talc in it. It is pure cornstarch, and it says it right there. So pure. So if you're looking for baby powder, and I think all of them nowadays don't have the talc in it, which is the stuff that's not good for you to breathe in. And it's made from the cornstarch. So you can either use just regular cornstarch or baby powder. So I went ahead and just did the pure cornstarch baby powder. And it's inexpensive, and so it's a quarter cup of that. Okay. And then a 1/4 cup of water. And it's just my spray bottle, but just a 1/4 cup of water. So that is the ingredients, and you just put it into a bowl, mix it up really well, get all the powder, mixed up really nice, and make it all smooth, and you come up with this. So I just mix it in a bigger bowl, and then just pour it into like an airtight container, and you will have it for a while. Like it's really good stuff. So this is. And then I just label it, and I just said the glue, water, and baby powder. So it's like a matte. It just takes out the shine. So it's like a clear, it's just like a gesso, in a way. It's like a homemade. So yeah, and then it's not like this kind of, this is just like the gesso stuff that you can see. This is what it looks like. This is just like the white matte, the white stuff. So this is just what comes out, and it looks just like that. So what it does is it really takes the shine out of everything. So I wanted to show you guys real quick. So look at right here. And I want to show you this bottom strip. You guys can see it. See that shine right there? So that's all, you got that shine. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I just got my paintbrush here, and I'm just going to, wherever I want the shine to go away, I'm just going to take this. And that cornstarch and or baby powder just really just takes it out. Really gets it. So you can either let it just sit and just air dry, or I just take my air gun here, or my little heat gun, and this is just a faster way to do it. And you can just see the difference as it happens here. Stand up, make sure you guys can see, but you see how shiny it is. You can see it really just takes it out pretty fast. Like, it does a really good job. You guys can see that. No more shine. So it's pretty instant, well, especially when you use your heat gun. But if you just let it sit, it definitely takes it out too. But this is just a faster way to get it out. And man, it really does. It just takes down that shine. You can see. One more shine. So yeah, I want to show you guys on a bigger one real quick. Okay. So this is just, and they're, I mean, they're just great. Like, see how shiny? I mean, that is just shiny. Like, who wants to put that much shine in their junk journals, you know? Not me. Okay. So this is just a great way to flip through and keep your calendars and just take them and take down all of that. So I just go through and just kind of get it on there. You can even do it with your hands. I mean, you don't have to have a paintbrush. Like, especially for smaller little projects that are shiny, I just take my fingers and just go ahead and just rub it along there, you know. So, either way, however you gotta do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just paint this across, and I just put it everywhere I want it. Just like that. And you don't need a massive amount or anything. Just enough to just spread it across. Okay. And I also do have another video that shows you 3 different ways to take the shine out of magazines, and I will definitely post that below or put it down in the description box for you guys, the link. And you can come check it out. And this is one of the ways, but then, you know, it's 3 different ways to take the shine out of magazine pages, which is always helpful. Okay, so you just go like that, and then I'm just gonna do it in a time lapse just to use my heat gun and get it all dry. So as you can see, what a difference. What a difference. I mean, you can see a little shine here, but that's just, you can just go right back over it. And a little shine. So that's just parts maybe you missed with the paintbrush or your fingers or something. So you can just go right back over that and just take that shine right out. I mean, what a difference. This is so much fun. I don't even mind the little shine like that. It's kind of fun. Just gives it a little character. A little difference, huh? But yeah. So it's as easy as that. Just take your mixture, mix it up, and just start painting it on some calendars, you know? Just look through your calendars, and because I always save them, or I tell, you know, like my mother-in-law and different people and stuff, just to save them and give them to me because they're just so cool and they're so much fun to use. So many different ways you can use them too. You can either put them in your journal like this, and I took the shine out of this one, and then I just took some of my gesso here after, you know, I went ahead and used the clear mixture and just got it all shine out of it. I went ahead and used some of this, the white gesso, and I just took my finger and went like that and just kind of did some fun. So it's just a calendar. So you can definitely incorporate it into your junk journals. So that's one way to use a calendar, is you could do that. And this is just one of my little journals I'm working on. I will be doing a flip through and have this in my Etsy shop soon, so stay tuned for that, and I'll definitely get that one shown to you guys soon. But another thing you can do to it is you can cut these up and make pockets with them. You can do some corner pockets out of them, and you know, you could do some tags. Tags are a great thing. Like, you could take it and just cut a piece here and just cut it into a tag shape and then glue it onto some manila folder or some cardstock, kind of, you know, thicker stuff. And then you got yourself a nice little tag that you can make out of them. They make great belly bands. So you could do, you know, especially like, here, I just saw one too, like this, with the birds right here. So you could cut this out and put it on some cardstock or, you know, a manila folder or something, just to sturdy it. And then you can make this a belly band. You can put this into your journal and make that a fun just belly band. So that's a great idea. And also, you know, pages. I showed you guys the pages you can do. And you could even take it, like a colorful one like this, and tear, like the pieces that you don't use, you can tear all the other ones and make like little clusters out of it and stuff. So you could do fun little clusters to add to your junk journals. So there's many ideas you could use. And I just wanted to show you guys just this quick video on just taking out the shine and some ideas that you guys can use for your calendars. So keep your calendars. Make sure to keep them and don't throw them out, because you can always do something with them. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, if you liked it, please hit the like button below for me. And keep on crafting, guys.